Of course, I would be Scott Roberts. Welcome to my neighborhood.
Scott, what are you doing?
Rick, I'm about to putt, okay?
Sorry. It's in the hole!
Okay, now we can talk.
The biggest difference between indoor and outdoor volleyball is obviously the sand.
Most of the LPGA players we talked to this afternoon agreed that Casey Martin should be allowed to use a cart. But if given a choice, would these ladies walk or would they ride? Well, it's easier to see why the Raiders are winning despite their youth. These guys are huge. 6 players stand 6'5" or taller, and that can be intimidating. Well, Rick, I've noticed you've been watching a lot of women's tennis lately, and you're such a trendsetter. It must be hot. But when that final putt falls, there's a sense of, what do we do now? Some consider rock climbing an extreme sport. Well, it is. And climbing inside is an extremely great place to learn. It's also an extremely safe place to learn.
Dead burn, way to go, Scott.
All right, 2 in a row. And I'm Scott Roberts. Welcome to Eyewitness News. Police find the body of Gary Culp in a hotel room in Missouri today. Sources there tell Eyewitness News Culp shot himself in the head. Today's development ends a nationwide manhunt that began after the body of Culp's wife, Linda, was found in a shallow grave near their Kenna home in Jackson County. Now, Christine Haberly is just back from Jackson County, where she talked to the state police about Culp. Christine, what do we know?